Hey there, Boots On here. I've got an enormous splinter in my finger. It's got to be from here to here, 8mm long, and it's just obnoxious and sore. Just happened. I'm going to burst the skin with a pin. People like to tell me in these splinter videos that I want to wash my hands and whatnot. Well, yeah, but ow. That's all well and good. But the splinter wasn't washed before it went in, so I don't see that it makes any odds. There it is. Can't get a grip on my fingers. Ah, there it is. That's the biggest one I've ever taken out. Look at that. I'd like to give it a squeeze. It's only gone into the skin, hasn't gone much deeper, but what would that be? 8mm, I'd say, over a 1/4 inch. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.